Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I am the apprentice, and today we're going to be asking the question, when does your beard oil expire?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. If you are here for tricks, tips, or any epic stories regarding beards, well, you're in the right spot. Feel free to hit the subscription button. We are always wanting more people to come check out our stuff, and we always want to give back to you guys. We want to help out the community that has been so gracious with us. Consider also hitting the bell, tolling the bell, so anytime that we do post something, you can get a notification when we do post. Now, today we're going to be asking the question, when does your beard oil expire? This question's a little weird. It varies from time to time. It kind of depends on how often you are using your beard oil. So let's say, for instance, I've got the Giant here. This is a new scent that we recently have released for the month. And now here's the thing. You see the seal? It's all closed up, completely used, completely unused, completely fine. If we stored this just off to the side in a cool temperature room, no natural sunlight coming in or anything, this baby would last for about 2 years. Untouched. 2 years, completely fine, unopened. I'm hoping you guys are using your oils and actually opening them, so that's a little different. Now, if we get down to it, you open your oils, you start to use it, you're using it every day. Now, if you don't go through it that fast and you're kind of taking your time with it, the shortest amount of time that your oil may expire is roughly about 6 months. You know, if you have it in a bathroom and you have a natural sunlight coming in that's shining onto it, it's going to speed up the process of taking out not just, the fragrance and everything, but also the effects of the oil. But if you keep your oils stored into a nice cool area within, your bedroom, your bathroom, wherever you keep your oils, that's up to you, then things can start lasting longer. I have been told by various adventurers that their oils have lasted them for over 1 year. They have been using different kinds of characters and scents, so it's been lasting them a long time. And that's good. I know for me, myself, I have also used various oils that have lasted longer than a year. But it's important to understand that sometimes, depending on where you place your oils and how often you use them, they might expire faster than you expect. You want to take care of your products. You want to take care of your oils and your butters and your balms. We may in the future release some videos regarding how you can take care of those more, but for right now, you just have to have an understanding that when it comes to your beard oil expiring, it can last up longer than 1 year. It can last to be almost 2 years. Now, again, that's if you keep everything sealed away and nice and hidden. Keep it secret, keep it safe, all that. Don't keep it secret. Don't keep it safe. Don't keep it secret. Use it. Open it up. Go ahead and use this stuff. It's good for your face. It's good for your beard altogether. And if there's a moment where it does expire, you know where to find us. You know what you can buy, because we got characters coming out all the time. New stories, new characters. So let's summarize. When does your beard oil expire? It can last you from anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. You want to be using that beard oil every day, but if you want to use different kinds of characters, different kinds of fragrances and scent profiles, go for it. We know that it will last you quite a while. So if your beard oil ever does expire or you run out, you know where to find us. That being said, next time you go to make a purchase for Fable Beard Company, go ahead and use the discount code The Apprentice to get 25% off your whole purchase. We really appreciate everything that you guys do for us. Please go ahead and like the video if you did like it. Also, consider commenting. When was the fastest? I'm curious, when was the fastest that your beard oil has expired on you? Or how long has it lasted for you? Have you had it for about 2 years and you've been using that one bottle for that long and it hasn't lost its scent? We want to know. Go ahead and comment down below. And as we always say here at Fable Beard Company, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure, fortune, and knowledge forever upon your door. Have a good day, everybody.